How to publish your Emergent AI app on the App Store. First, open up Emergent AI, then find the app which you are trying to publish on the App Store. Open it up and then you will need to deploy it. So click on deploy in the top right and you will need to get the link for your app. Make sure that it works. Once you have your link, you will go to this website, median.co, and you want to paste it. This website will turn your web app into a native app and you can upload it on the App Store. You will need to set a name for your app and also provide your email address and select Start Building My App. And I'll explain how we can proceed. While we wait, you can click on Simulator here on the right and it is going to show you the progress. Currently it's going to be building for iOS and Android. It's already built apparently. So once you do this, you will click on build and download, and right here you can see that it is going to let you download the IPA file. But first you will need to configure signing. Here it's going to ask for your Apple app developer account info, so you will need to sign in. Once you sign in, then you will be able to click on build, and once you click on build, this is going to begin building the IPA file for iOS, and it's going to let you download it directly as it is for me currently with the APK file. So I will just showcase this for you. So once this completes, then you will be able to download your IPA file like I said, and as long as you have an Apple developer account, you will just click on download and you will select download IPA here at the top. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.